with the new AirTag, as well as one of Belkin's new accessories for it. So we're going to start with the AirTag. So let's go ahead and we're going to open it up. Alright, so now that we got it open, we'll pull it out of its little box, and let's see what else we got in here. So papers, documentation, other things, and here is the AirTag. So with this AirTag, it's pretty much like a little tracking device, like Tile. You could put this on your keys, you could put it on anything, and you could track it through the Find My app. So let's go ahead and we're going to take a look. So here it is, a little AirTag. Pretty tiny little thing. And in here, and with the packaging, you pretty much just have instructions and how to set it up and everything. Okay. On it, you have this. You have a little plastic thing. So we'll go ahead. We'll take that off. All right. So as soon as I pull this out, it'll pretty much activate. So get my phone ready. So. Okay, here we go. There it is. So, go through this. I think what I'll do is I'll set it up with my key. Alright. So now it's setting it up. So while it sets up, oh, there it is. So pretty much you have precision finding, which is you really can get accurate with any of the phones, with the iPhone 11 and up to the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro Max and all those phones. So you can do that and Find My app. So there they are on the map. Okay. So now with that unboxed, we could go ahead and we'll check out this Belkin accessory, which is something that you can use to put it onto your keys. Open this up. Okay. Okay. So there it is in its little packaging, as well as the little key ring. Okay, so setting this little accessory up is pretty easy. Pretty much you're going to take the two halves apart. You'll put AirTag into one of the parts that has some cushion side, and that's where your white part will go. Go ahead, orientate that, and you pretty much take this other little accessory, just snap it on until it's nice and flush, and then rotate until it's all together. On the back, you got the AirTag, the Apple with the Apple logo. On the front, it's just your white little Apple. So in the app, you could go ahead and find nearby. Pretty much, it's gonna say it's here right now, because right, it is here. But if I move my phone away, it starts to show that it's nearby, and there it is. And from here I could also play the sound, which is a little built-in speaker which produces that sound. Cool little thing. So another little cool feature about this AirTag little thing is that it does have a user replaceable battery, so you don't always have to rebuy another one if the battery dies. And it's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. Pretty much you're going to take two fingers, you'll press them onto the back of the AirTag, you'll push, you'll turn a little bit, and this little back metal plate comes off, and there's your battery inside. Go ahead and you can take that out and throw that away and replace it with a new one. And overall, it's actually very light. The AirTag, the battery, and the backing definitely give it some weight. Ooh. Makes a little chime, so when you put in a new battery, that's a little way to know if that battery is charged or not. So, these are the new AirTags. Oh, I should also mention that you could get the pack of 1 that like I got for $30, as well as a pack of 4 for $100. You can also customize each one of them with the different emojis or initials or anything else that you would like to, however you like to customize your new AirTags. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.